Okay, this is lesson 20. It says describe the direction that Ski-Bird is heading from left to right. Okay, so here he is going, it says write down 2 points that are located on the line. His description is he is going uphill. Okay, um, from left to right, and to write down points that are located, I am going to write -4, comma, -3, and 0, 0. So to calculate the slope of the line of rise over run, okay, and actually I want to keep these birds here, okay, so that we can kind of use those, okay. Here, the calculate the slope of the line for rise over run is um, -3 over -4, which is 3/4. Okay. The type of slope we have here, okay, is an increasing slope. Which means it is positive. Okay. Um, for the next one, okay, it is going downhill. Okay. So to write 2 points here, I'm going to write 0, 0, and I am going to write 5, comma, -4. So for this one, we've got -4 over 5. And this is a decreasing slope. So I'll put that down here. And it is negative. Okay. So next we have for graph C. He is not going anywhere. He's going straight. Okay. Oops, sorry. He's going straight. Or horizontal. Okay. And for this, I am going to pick -3, comma, -1, and 4, comma, -1. So to calculate this slope, okay, we have, excuse me, 0, okay, over 7, which is 0. And for this one, we have the type of slope here is 0. Okay. And for the equation of our line here, okay, we have I'll talk about that in just a few minutes, because we haven't gotten to that part of our what we've done yet. Here, our description is he's falling vertically. Okay, he's going vertically. Okay. So if I pick 2 points here, we've got -2, comma, 3, and -2, comma, -3. All right. So our rise over run here, we've got 6 over 0, and this is undefined. Okay. Any number over 0 is undefined. Okay, so therefore, there is no slope. Okay. And this would be our x-intercept. And this here would be our y-intercept. And that's because of where it crosses the, oh, let me show you down here. And that's because of where it crosses the y-axis. And that is because of where it crosses the x-axis. Okay? And that is why it has an x-intercept and a y-intercept. Okay? All right. So next, here's a little game. And I'm not going to give you the answer here. I'll give you the answer in class. Okay? This is called sloping letters. Okay? And it says the letters of the alphabet can be written as a collection of straight line segments. This is often necessary on digital displays when it is not possible to create curved segments. Some letters are naturally a group of straight lines, such as A or W. If the letter is composed of straight line segments, then each can be described by the slopes of the line segments of which it is composed. For example, the letter E, one line with an undefined slope and 3 lines with 0 slope. So the undefined and then 3 lines with 0 slope. The letter V can be written as one line with a positive slope and one with a negative slope. One with a positive slope, one with a negative slope. So to decode the following, okay, and here is your riddle for the day. And again, I'll tell you in class, I'm not going to put it on here. To decode the following message, determine which letter best fits the description and put that letter in the corresponding box below the number. So here is your riddle, okay? Number 1, 2 lines with undefined slopes, 1 line with a positive slope, and 1 with a negative slope. Number 2, 1 line with a positive slope, 1 with a negative slope, and 1 with a 0 slope. Number 3, 1 line with an undefined slope and 1 with a 0 slope. Number 4, 2 lines with undefined slopes and 1 line with a 0 slope. Number 5, 1 line with an undefined slope. Number 6, no straight lines. Number 7, 2 lines with 0 slope and 1 line with an undefined slope. Number 8, no straight lines. And number 9, 2 lines with undefined slopes and 1 line with a negative slope. And you tell me what the phrase says. This is the end of our lesson, I believe. Yep. And I'll tell you the answer in class. This is the end of our lesson.